Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So in this video we are going to see my update on the Asiatic lilies which I have planted in October and early spring this year. So as you all can see, these are all the bulblets which have started to come out, and these particular ones which are thick are going to form the flowers this year, and you can easily identify the ones which will flower this season and which will not flower this season. So I had these 3 pots with the little bulblets, and few of them will flower this season. And this is my pot with the all the parent bulbs and few of the bulblets which were big enough to be planted and which will flower. So in this picture I'm showing you the red ones are all the parent bulbs and the blue ones are all the bulblets or the daughter bulbs, if you can call them, which were big enough and I was sure that they will flower this season. And what's interesting is all the parent bulbs had almost 12 to 15 or maybe 18 flower buds. When I had purchased them last year, those plants had literally like 3 to 5 flowers each plant, and now the parent bulbs, after I have divided them, each of them has like about 12 to 18 buds, which is very interesting. And this is my pot with the Asiatic lily bulbs, the plants now. They are in full bloom, not in full bloom actually, almost half of them have started to bloom and half of them are yet to bloom. This is looking just amazing, and the flower size is also big, which is what interesting to note this year. Last year I did not have the flowers with so big. This year they are just huge. They have taken over the container completely. And this is almost mid-June and this is my front flower bed. I have few hydrangeas and this is my Asiatic lily pot with all of them in full bloom. Not all of them yet. I have a few buds which are yet to bloom. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like a detailed tour of my front flower bed, which you can see. So these are the pots with the bulblets which I had divided. As I said, only few of them will bloom this season and they will hopefully bloom next year. So as you all can see, the plants with the buds are very strong and thick with more leaves, and the other ones are with tiny small leaves. So I had a really good harvest this season, to be honest. I mean, I did not expect that I would be having more than double of the plants which I had last year to bloom this year, and this is just crazy. I'm sure I'm going to have a real good harvest this year as well. There's just so many little bulblets. See, look at this. So many of them just coming out, and that will be so good this year. So who's waiting for October this year for me to be digging out all these bulbs and dividing them again? It will be a fun task, I'm sure. So yeah, the ones with the buds are very strong and stiff, and the ones without the buds are very thin, and they just have very few leaves. So that's my update. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. So once all the plants have done blooming, I will sure be doing a update or a care video on the Asiatic lily plants. So please be on a lookout for it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.